Hello everyone, welcome to the world of Think, Create, Explore and Innovate. Now let us begin with the introduction of all the components in this Robotics Tinkering Kit. There are 49 components in this Robotics Tinkering Kit. Let us begin. You will find 4 Mecanzo wheels in this kit. These are male to female connecting wires. These are female to female connecting wires, and these are male to male connecting wires. This is a 6 AA battery connector. This is an Arduino Uno board. You will also find one AB USB cable to connect your Arduino with the motor driver board. This is the Arduino. On the right hand side you will find the digital pins. On the left hand side, the lower left hand side are the power pins and the upper left hand side are the analog pins. This is the motor driver board that is used to drive the motor. This is the bump card. This is a mini breadboard. With the help of this, you will be able to connect all the components. This is a 16:2 LCD display. You will be able to display 16 characters in each of its 2 rows. You will find 2 motors in this robotics kit. These are 2 different types of gears. This is a 60T gear, that is 60 teeth gear, and this is a 32T gear. You will also find a packet of screws and nuts for assembling the robots. This is a caster wheel. This is an analog IR sensor. It detects when light falls on it. This is a Bluetooth module. This is a 9-volt battery. It has a positive terminal and a negative terminal. This is the battery connector. The red end tells us about the positive terminal of the battery and the black wire tells us about the negative terminal of the battery. These are 2 long C bars. You will find 2 different size of shafts. This is a 3-inch shaft and this is a 6-inch shaft. These are 3 different types of plates. This is the small, medium and the big plate. These are 6 small bars. This is a slider. This is our 2 small C bars. I have explained to you all the components in this Robotics Tinkering Kit. I hope you enjoy making the projects. You can find the detailed description of all the components used in this robotics kit in their respective videos. Thank you.